We finished with the repository. We created this function that take into parameter a string group name and a returning type mutable live data list of chat message. We need to call this function from the ViewModel. So I'll create a function similar to that of the repository. So here I'll create public mutable live data of list of chat message, get messages live data. And of course, I need to match the returning type and the parameters. And inside this, I need to call return repository dot get messages live data. And here I need to pass the group name as a parameter for this function. So we need to call the repository functions from the ViewModel. So this is our ViewModel.